Welcome to the hidden gem of Western New York, the Eternal Flame Falls. Nestled within Chestnut Ridge Park, this unique waterfall houses a naturally occurring flame. It's sparked by natural gas seeping through a crack in the shale rock, a spectacle that has to be seen to be believed. But it's not just about the flame. The journey to the falls is a scenic hike through dense forest, immersing you in a wilderness experience. Remember to tread lightly and respect the park rules. So if you're looking for an extraordinary blend of fire, water, and nature, the Eternal Flame Falls is your perfect destination. Discover the wonder that is New York's best-kept secret. Until next time, stay adventurous.